Is
Yeah,
it
you
that
need
if
to.
D comes after the hard vowel, it is omitted?
Well, there's no need to use here any vowel. You would say if we use this they before ye, that is silent. You don't need to pronounce that. Same for gay. We don't need to pronounce that, and same ha and
Okay.
l also. These four letters are silent because we
Mm.
are using them for ye. So we start sound with ye.
J.
You,
Okay.
yota, yell, and
Mm.
you.
You.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Any other problems?
Listening is a no, not a big year. This is a okay. It is a still also there. Okay. Okay, that is a, it is in order basically. This is not nothing really very big challenge on these things.
So that is fine. So then we can start today with lesson number 11. That is about how
Yeah,
to make present tense basically.
yeah, yeah.
So we will focus on these four groups. First group we'll call
Mm,
AR group, caller like. Second is ER group, stanger. We will find
mm,
few verbs that ends on ER. And
mm,
then we will find also short verbs. Why short verbs?
mm,
In this group 3, we will see there are only two letters.
mm.
At bo and this place are bore.
Okay.
And group 4 is irregular verbs. They don't follow any rule.
Mm,
So you would learn means AR verbs, ER verbs,
mm.
short verbs, and irregular verbs. These are
Okay.
four types of verbs that we need to learn. How to conjugate a verb in Swedish? You would realize if there is any word that is written with at, so
Mm,
we would consider that is infinitive form of verb, like
mm,
here,
mm,
at
mm.
santa. You cannot
That's-
use this form in a sentence. You need to
mm,
conjugate it in present tense or later on in a past tense. Right now, we'll just
okay.
focus on present tense. So I would
Mm,
write Jag danser bra. I dance well.
mm,
So here I'm using, you can say, just are with that to make a present tense. So now I
mm,
don't need to use at in a sentence.
mm.
At is here just to inform us that is an infinity form, okay? Otherwise, it
Okay.
has no use in the sentence, okay?
Mm,
So now I would go on to group one, that is basically 80% of total verbs in Swedish. So
mm,
here, how would we make present tense? I will take from this table. Here
mm,
you have infinity form, acceptera,
mm,
and I would add just one R,
mm,
acceptera. That becomes my
mm.
present tense. At
Yeah.
nausera,
Mm,
nauserar.
mm.
At arbita, arbiter.
Okay.
So that is your technically present tense.
Mm,
At avbuka, avbuka. Here
mm.
is also written imperative form. You know imperatives?
Mm.
Why we use imperative in a sentence? When I
Okay.
want to give instructions, orders, advice, I want
Mm.
to make a request. So we use imperative forms, you
Okay.
know. So here, if you focus, imperative form is equal to infinitive form. They are same. Ata
Mm.
saptera, saptera.
Mm.
So later on, that we will learn the difference, between group two and here. So now, if you read all other examples, you will realize we just add one R. At
Mm.
berata,
Mm.
beretter. At
Okay.
betala means to pay, betaler. At
Mm.
buria, buria, to begin. At
Mm.
kampa, to go camping, kamper. At
Sample.
sikla, sikler. At gutera, guterer.
Mm.
At festa, fester. At
Mm.
flitta, flitter. At
Glitter.
fushka, fushka.
Mm.
Research.
Mm.
At froga, froger. At
Mm.
handla, handler. At hungra, hungrer. To
Mm.
get hungry. At hemta,
Okay.
to
Here.
pick hemta, to pick up.
Mm.
At yoba,
Mm.
yoba. At sakna, sakner,
Mm.
mean to miss someone. At huika, huiker, that means to
Mm.
send. At
Mm.
smaka, smaker. At spela, speler.
Consider.
At swara, swarer.
Mm.
At thorka, thorker. At thweta, thweter. At
Mm.
wakna, wakner. At visa, visser. So all of them we have add just one R, to make a present tense for group one.
Yeah.
And next we go on to group two.
Mm.
How you make the verb here? We can check the table. If you see the same have this, it has same infinity form like
Yeah.
group one at ring. It ends on also a,
Mm.
but I'm er ringer.
Ringer. Okay.
Why? Because I drop e
Mm.
and place er ringer
Yeah.
at lesser.
Okay.
Drop a and place
Lesser.
er
Okay.
lesser.
Okay.
Drop a and place er shopper. At
Mm.
bestseller bestseller.
Mm. Mm.
Bestemmer beside bestemmer. Besoka besoker. Filler filler. Yelper yelper.
Mm.
Hanger hanger. Clipper clipper. Roda roda. Slanger
Slinger.
slanger.
Mm.
So if you want to use imperative form here, you
Mm.
would realize it's not equal to infinity form. Why?
Mm.
Infinity
Mm.
form is at ringa, and here is ring.
Mm. Ring.
If I say call your friend,
Mm.
ring
Ring.
in
Sorry.
compass.
Okay.
You cannot say ringa.
Mm.
If you want to compare these two tables, group two and
Mm.
group one, this is
Mm.
the only difference. Go
Mm.
back and check here, group one. It ends on a. Annoncera, arbeta, avuka. We don't drop a. If I
Mm.
say birata,
Better.
biratanu,
Mm.
hell now. या फिर bithala,
Mm.
the you can say bithala hira no. Pay rent
Mm.
now.
Mm.
That is imperative form. It ends on a. So we can say what is difference between group one and group two? They don't have same imperative forms. Here, imperative form is equal to infinitive form,
Mm.
and in group two, imperative form is not equal to infinitive form.
Okay.
That's how you can make the
Yeah.
difference. You need to learn here
Mm.
imperative form, or you need to
Mm.
learn directly present
Mm.
form.
Mm.
Ringer, ringer. That's how you can
Listen,
differentiate
listen. Or
between
listen.
two.
Upper. Okay.
Okay. Otherwise,
Mm.
we cannot find difference. Because
Mm.
here in group one, you can see infinitive form also ends on a.
Mm.
How would I realize that is group one or group two? You have two options: or directly
L.
learn present tense,
L.
or learn
L.
imperative form.
Ah.
Okay,
Mm.
and same you can apply here for group two. If you learn
Okay.
imperative, you know it doesn't end on a. It is
Mm-hmm.
ring less. So I would add here just er. Ringer,
Ring.
less, lesser,
Mm.
lesser, shopper,
Mm.
shopper, bestseller,
Okay.
order, bestseller, bestemme, bestemme, besoka,
Mm.
besoker.
Okay.
Filler, filler, yelper,
Mm.
yelper.
Mm.
Hanger, hanger, clipper, clipper, roda, roda.
Mm.
Slanger, slanger.
Slinger. Mm.
And these are short verbs, group 3. They are less than 2% of Swedish language. Why they are short? Because they are only 2 or 3 letters at the most.
Okay.
To feel more, just place one R to make present tense.
Mm.
Let's say, sayer, that means to stitch. At
Mm.
throw,
Mm.
thrower.
Yeah. Okay.
At throw, four.
Mm. Oh.
And at fosto, that means understand,
Foster.
fosto. One
Foster.
R.
Okay. This addition of
Fosto,
is the
yeah,
producer.
fosto,
Oh.
I understand Swedish.
Yeah.
So this is group 3, because group 3 is easy to remember because they have only 2 or 3 letters.
Mm.
First though has more than 3 letters, but others have
Mm.
only 2 or 3 letters. You can call them short words. And this group is
Group four.
is a little bit
Registered
complicated.
ignore me.
Only irregular form.
Mm.
Ha, har, vara, er, go, gor. Yora means to do, yor. Ye means to give, year.
Mm.
Do, die, do. Say to see, sayer.
Mm.
Bay means to ask, to beg, bear.
Mm.
So first we check the most common irregular verb, air. We
Yeah.
use lot of
M.
this
Okay.
air. Why?
Yeah.
Here is Atvara, its original form, and you can take here air for present tense.
Mm.
Yog air, I
Mm.
am.
Yeah.
Do air, you
Mm.
are.
Mm.
Hun air, he is. Or hun air,
Mm.
she is.
Mm.
We air, we are. Ni air, you
Mm.
are.
Mm.
Dom air,
There.
they are.
Mm.
You can place them here. Rolif air, lärare. Rolif is a teacher.
Mm.
Äpplen är röd, äpplen is red. De är kompisar, they are friends. So this air is
Mm.
translated is into is, am, are.
Or yeah.
All these
Is am are.
we
This
use
is called
just
are. Yeah. This is a
you know,
single verb is there.
single verb and it can be used for three in English, you
Mm.
know.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Jag är här, I am
Yeah.
here.
Mm.
Hon är min sister, she is my sister, you know.
Mm.
Du are in school and you are in the school.
Mm.
So for is and are, you will use are in Swedish.
Mm. Mm.
And the second most common irregular verb is ha.
Are.
Har. It
Have.
can be used for as or have. Jag har, I
Mm.
have. Du
Uh,
har, you have. Han har, he has. Hon
yes.
har, she has.
Okay.
We har, we have. Ni har, you have. And dom har,
Uh,
they have.
they have. Okay.
Like jag har en penna. I have a
Mm.
pen. Du har en mobiles. You have cell phone. Hon
Mm.
har flera böcker. She has several books. Han har många vänner. He has many friends. Vi
Mm.
har 500. We have 5 dogs. De har
Mm.
3 restauranger. They have 3 restaurants. Ni har 2 stolar. You have 2 chairs.
Then it has.
It has,
Them.
I have, you have, she has. For
Mm.
has and have, you use are. Okay.
Okay. It has that is that are that that her.
It has.
It has.
It has.
Yes.
It is. That is. It is that you are saying. Here.
Yeah. It
That's
is.
air.
Ah,
It is. Okay.
ah. Okay. That are okay.
So this are is used basically for possession. I
Mm.
have something. I have a car. I have a pen.
Mm.
I
Mm.
have a house. So for possession we use har basically.
Mm.
The recap of this lesson is here.
Mm.
Here you have group one. Stana has. This is imperative
Sana.
form. Stay here. Maybe this is order. And if you want to make a normal statement, yeah, what
Mm.
we if you do, you will make first present tense. Staner. Place just
Mm.
air.
Mm.
Yag. Staner here.
Mm.
I stay here.
Mm.
This is just information. If you
Mm.
use Stana here, that is order.
Mm.
Maybe that is best. Depends on your tone.
Mm.
Your voice tone.
Yeah.
Second is rope. Say, don't smoke. This
Mm.
can be order. No, it doesn't have any at the end. Roke.
Mm.
I would just add er here to make a present tense.
Mm.
Roker. Yog. Roker
Mm.
inte.
Mm.
I don't smoke. Then
Okay.
become present.
Mm.
And
Okay.
group three is through me. Believe on
Mm.
me.
Mm.
This is short verb. I would say yag through ko
Mm.
they. I believe on you. Ya do through ko me. You believe on me.
Mm.
And this is basically irregular
Group
verb.
four.
Eat better.
Irregular word.
Better.
Yes.
Jag
Mm.
äter bättre. I eat better.
Okay.
And lastly, here is exercise for you. You
Mm.
need to make here present tense. We have mentioned groups. You can just make present tense like here använda.
Mm.
That is from group two. How
Group
you
two.
will make
Okay.
here present tense.
And then the
This is group two. So what you will do? First drop a
yeah.
and then er.
Mm.
Använder.
Then bandar. Yeah.
And here we have group three. I will just add one r. Går.
Mm.
Jag går hemma. I'm going home.
Mm.
Bada is group
Mm.
one. And what we do in group one? Just place one R. Badar.
Badar.
And this is group two, Behova.
Mm.
What I will do here, I
Mm.
will drop A
Mm.
and then place ER.
Ah.
Behover.
Mm.
Yeah, behover
Mm.
and penna. I need a pen.
Mm.
Bethala. That's in
Mm.
group one.
Mm.
Bethaler.
Mm.
Betida.
Hmm.
Is group 2, I will drop A and place ER. Jag betyder ingenting. I mean nothing.
Yeah.
Dusha, shower. So group 1, I would add just one
Hmm.
R. Dusha. Froga
Hmm.
means to ask. A,
Ask.
drop R. Froger.
Hmm. Hmm.
Folia, follow.
Hmm.
This is group 2.
Group
What
two.
we will do, drop A and place ER.
Follower.
Foliar.
Follower.
So like that, you will solve
Hmm.
other examples here.
Okay.
You
Okay.
will check group and then
Okay.
change, the endings to make a present tense.
Okay.
So in total, there will be here we have 100 plus verbs
Yeah.
that you can revise. If you
Okay.
revise these verbs with meanings, you can
Hmm.
easily write out different 100 topics.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this exercise, definitely, if I know the
Okay.
verb, they
Okay.
say I can
Yeah,
speak.
it's,
You know,
the vocabulary is
verb is
important.
very, yeah. If you know the verb,
Hmm.
you can make sentence.
Okay.
So here we have another exercise. This one is called Ellen Er lärare i matematik. Ellen
Hmm.
is a teacher in mathematics.
Hmm.
Hon jobbar. So this is group one. I
Hmm.
will add here one R only. Hon
Order.
jobbar
Jobber.
skola. She works in school.
Hmm.
And here we have hon kommer från Stockholm. Men hon. This is group three. Or
Hmm.
hon men hon bor i Göteborg. But she lives in
Hmm.
Gothenburg.
Gothenburg.
This is group one. Han talar
Hmm.
svenska och engelska. He speaks Swedish and English.
English. Yeah.
Hon läser
Tala,
också
tala,
danska.
tala, tala means tell, no?
Talar mean to speak.
Speak, yeah.
Han talar svenska och engelska. He
Okay.
speaks
Say
Swedish
her.
and English. This is
Swedish
group
and
two. Läsa.
yeah. Yeah.
What you will do? Drop A and place ER. Hon läser också danska och norska. She
Hmm.
also studies Danish and Norwegian.
Hmm.
Han förstår norska ganska bra. He understands Norwegian quite well när han hör språket. When she listens language. So this is your technically exercise
Hmm.
11.2 that you will complete. Again,
Okay.
group is maintained. You just need to change
Hmm.
them according to. So that's how you make a present tense in.
Okay.
You know, we have first ER group, second is ER and short verbs and irregular verbs.
Yeah.
Any question for that?
No, listen, I think I can.
Yeah,
Uh,
this is very important lesson. You can revise it.
yeah.
Second lesson here you can choose. This is a vocabulary based lesson, so you
Hmm.
can choose here. Important information for you.
Hmm.
Maybe all information here mentioned is not important for you, but you can pick
Hmm.
and choose. But we have a vocabulary that is elev, teacher is
Hmm.
lärare, ursäkta
Hmm.
mig, snälla,
Hmm.
bibliotek,